Today I'm making Asian dessert, deep fried bananas, and we have two different flavor. One of them banana with jackfruit, and another one cinnamon with brown sugar, which is we use Thai banana, and we use spring roll wrapper to wrap this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we put two with sliced banana thin. Put banana, and we gotta put half a teaspoon of cinnamon and brown sugar. Here we go, and we wrap them. So here, make sure it's tight so the oil doesn't seep in when you deep fry them. And I use flour and sugar to make the paste so I can seal this banana roll. And another flavor is I use 2 pieces of we cut banana to 4, and then 2 of this half, and then I also cut jackfruit really slow. You also can use the canned one, or you can use the fresh one. And we just roll them up. So they look like that. You do the angle ways. You fold the sides and you hold it very, very tight. Now you do this. So they get really tight. Okay, I'm going to roll them up, and then I'll be right back after I roll them up. Now, as bananas rolled up, it's all done with 2 different flavors. So now we're gonna do some deep fries. So what we do, we just do the small pot, which is so we don't use too much oil. If you use bigger pot, you need a lot of oil. So we just do it and and then we have to set room temperature, and then you know it's just okay when it bubble. Okay, and we don't want to put the 2 flavors in it. I'm just gonna do 2 for now. Then if the heat is too high, we can lower it down a little bit. We don't want to heat too low, because when they heat too low, it will soak the oil inside. So the temperature perfect, banana shouldn't have any oil soaking inside. You could turn it up back and forth a couple times. Back and forth until you see too brown. You don't want it too brown, and then you'll smell burn. Have to be look nice and golden. And you also can make this banana wrapper. You freeze them individual so it doesn't stick together. And when you need them, you just take them out one or two when you wish. When you do freeze them, when you take them out, put in microwave for 1 minute to let it slightly thaw out, and then you can deep fry them right away. So this is will be small fruit like that. Somewhere else. And here, deep fried banana. You can serve with ice cream with the caramel, salted caramel, or you can eat them like that. They're so delicious. See you next time.